Does your body feel like a storm right now? Let's calm it down, step by step. First, let's stomp hard like thunder. Make it loud, big, let it all out. Keep going. And stop. Now the storm is turning into rain. Clap your hands as the rain comes down. And stop. It looks like the rain is slowing up. Let's snap our fingers now. Wow, do you see what I see? It's a rainbow! Let's slowly stretch our arms big and wide like the rainbow. Good. Now, take a slow, deep breath in and out. Fantastic job! Remember, storms don't last forever, and neither do big feelings.